there's only one power to conquer and rule the humans. The power that will get you anything that you want. The power that would conquer the lands. The power that I will have. This power, known to many, but no one will get. I will conquer this world. I will conquer this world of Rise of Kingdoms. 10 million power. Once I get my 10 million power, I'll have anything that I want. Anything. Anything. I will conquer this land and destroy it. I will win. This is the last moment, the last feeble moment that you will have, and I will be on top. And so it begins with a 24-minute montage of me. I started, Walter H. White started at 82,000 power. And I will destroy this land. I will destroy everything. I will fix this audio probably. I will destroy this. I will destroy this land and destroy this kingdoms. We start out with getting a lot of achievements. These achievements are pitiful to my power gaining. I will destroy this land and destroy this kingdoms. It is the end for VIP. I will destroy this world and destroy. Okay, I need to stop saying destroy. We start out with 82,000 power. I made a clan. If you want to join that clan, I don't even know if anyone's gonna watch this video, but I just wanted to make a Rise of Kingdoms video as a joke. You see, I tried to enlist, but I thought I'm recording right now, so I recorded this. I recorded this on another software, and that software was paid, so they just took my recording. So Genius, 2 million IQ. I downloaded another recording software, and I recorded my recording, and somehow that worked. You can see that it's not really that good. It came from a lot. Like, it used to be upside down, flipped, and smaller than an ant. But you know me, I fixed it. So we have like 800 commanders, and I had no clue what to do with it. I don't know how to play this game. I don't know. I attack these guys, I clearly win. I would destroy this land, and I'll clearly win this battle. I destroy those troops one by one, terrorizing the city of Walter Jr. I don't know. I look at that. My power is going down. It's going down. It's going timber. That's all I know. I can see that I want to make 100,000 power this video. So if this video gets popular, I don't know. Then I will make a second one, I guess. This is more of a joke video. See how much views I can get if I try on a video. So this is a pre-recording, and I've never done a pre-recording before. So like a pre-voice, I don't know. But I'm recording this, and you can see that the audio does not line up, but okay, everybody, welcome back, and I guess it's not a welcome back. I got McDonald's. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's fucking delicious. There you go. I'm not lying. My room's a fucking mess. It's actually a fucking mess. Alright, ready? We're gonna play a game. How many plastic bottles do I have in my room right now? That doesn't count. This is like hard plastics don't count. So like this McFlurry cup. That's a separate drink. So let's say hypothetically if I have another drink that is like a Starbucks drink, that doesn't count. Alright, ready? Say your number. Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6? 6. 6 water bottles. Okay, how many plastic? I also have, no, never mind. I guess this counts. A Starbucks, it's not a Starbucks cup, but it's, like a container. The one that glows up, yeah, I have that. I have a Dutch Bros and it finished, it was like a pinky lemonade drink. I had, 4 bean burritos. Oh my god. In a container, Los Polos Hermanos, if you get the reference. It's Polos Locos. Damn, I sound white when I say that. I need to put more accent into that. McFlurry. I got a large fries, a McFlurry, and 20 chicken nuggets. Because I thought this would be a long recording. Now then I realized, oh wait, I can speed it up. By cutting this right now. And now that I'm thinking about it, what can you? Am I talking? Oh, I guess I am talking. Wait, so if I cut it right now, like I just cut it 2 seconds ago, and now it's going faster, it's just going to pace my recording. So technically, I have to, skip ahead in my timeline. Actually, I have to skip maybe like a minute ahead, just in case. Because now you're going 2 times as fast. Actually, I should just stop it right now. It reaches 9 minutes. It's another 16-minute gameplay. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to speed it up times 40 and just play the rest. And there you go. My last screen. Okay, now how am I going to do this? I stop recording. And I extract the audio. Hopefully this works. The fourth wall with this video, but oh god damn, I'm good. It fucking worked. You know, the audio is perfect. Like, with it, I don't see. Look at that's audio. That's me talking right there. That is so cool. You see right here, I got McDonald's. I cut a little bit of this audio. The audio does not want to more silence right here. It's perfect. The intro is really good, I think. And this video is pretty much right now is just a recap of my power. Maybe I'll do a second episode and do the same thing. But we start with 82 and we slowly gain power. Gain 6,000 power from wishing. Or chest opening. And finally reaches when I register my account. And yeah, that's basically it. If you enjoyed, then I'll probably make a second one. If you're not here, then this video is probably a piece of shit and terrible. Well, I got McDonald's, so I guess it worked out.